Make 10 sentences with the past continuous and past simple in the context of HVAC and 10 sentences in the context of React Web Developer.
Sentences with past continuous and past simple in the context of HVAC. While I was installing the air conditioning unit, the homeowner called to ask if I needed any help. The HVAC system wasn't working properly, so I spent hours troubleshooting the problem. We were repairing the furnace when we discovered a leak in the gas line. As I was checking the thermostat, I noticed that it was set too high. The technician was inspecting the ductwork while I was discussing the cost of the repair with the homeowner. I was working on the rooftop unit when I heard a loud noise coming from inside. The compressor had failed while the HVAC was running, causing the system to shut down. While we were replacing the air filter, we noticed that it was clogged with dust and debris. I was testing the electrical connections when I realized that one of the wires was loose. The homeowner had complained about poor indoor air quality, so we were inspecting the air ducts for mold and bacteria. Sentences with past continuous and past simple in the context of React Web Developer. While I was coding the login page, I noticed a bug in the authentication function. The client had requested a new feature, so I spent the morning designing the UI for it. We were reviewing the codebase when we discovered a security vulnerability in the backend. As I was writing the CSS, I realized that I had made a syntax error in one of the selectors. The team was discussing the project timeline while I was implementing the API calls. I was debugging the React components when I found a logic error in the state management. The build process had failed while we were running the automated tests, causing us to investigate the error. While I was optimizing the performance of the app, I discovered a memory leak in one of the hooks. We were collaborating on the front-end design when we decided to switch to a different color scheme. The deployment process was interrupted while we were updating the dependencies, leading to a rollback of the changes.